Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Andrew from Let's Health Nutrition and Fitness, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make overnight oats. So, why do overnight oats rock? Well, if you're like me, busy mom on the go, it helps to be able to have something already pre-made so that you can just grab it, pop it in the microwave really quick, and be out the door. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys the ingredients. A half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a cup of strawberries, a half a banana, cinnamon to your taste, and then a cup of water. Okay, once you get all the ingredients in, you're going to go ahead and stir it up. Okay, so this is kind of what the blended consistency looks like. Okay, you're going to put it in an airtight container. Okay, and then throw it in the refrigerator overnight. Boom, good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.